The last time I drove a clutch was in high school.
Look at this one. She's going for it and she's going fast.
With a population of 323,000, Iceland is a Nordic island nation that is defined by dramatic landscapes with volcanoes, geysers, hot springs, and lava fields. Most of the population lives in the capital, Reykjavik, which actually runs on geothermal power, which is amazing. And that's where we started our trip around the Golden Circle. On the Golden Circle, we saw things like waterfalls, beautiful landscape, animals, geysers, truly one of the most beautiful places I've ever been and would love to return. So I hope you guys enjoy. It was so worth it to rent this car. It was kind of expensive, but now that we're out here, I'm so glad that we did it. If I have any advice to give any of you watching, it's to travel. Save some money up and go somewhere new. There's nothing like it. It's such a thrilling thing to see the world, see how different cultures are, see the beauty that God created in this earth. It's truly my favorite thing in the world to do. Yay! You friendly? You want a carrot? He's a baby. Not too young, but not old yet either. You can tell by his nostrils. Hello. Or her. Are you sweet and young? Look at this fur lock. It's huge.
Hey.
Oh, this one's skittish.
Yeah, this one's skittish. He was a good boy. Bye.